If we're going to talk about Visual Basic for Applications, which is a programming language, first we need to discuss what exactly is a programming language. For our purposes, it's just a system of statements you use to manipulate a computer. At a minimum, you need to be able to put data into the computer, store it there, manipulate the data, and produce output. So, with that perspective in mind, let's talk about Visual Basic for Applications, which is an object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming focuses on the objects involved in a calculation. In Excel, you would think of a workbook or a worksheet, or perhaps a range of cells as an object. But let's talk about something that's probably more familiar, something that you interact with every day. An automobile. You can describe the car, specify actions you can perform with the car, and enumerate things that can happen to the car. These three types of characteristics form the backbone of object-oriented programming. Descriptive items are called properties. For a car, you could have properties that store the car's manufacturer, model, year, color, and price. Actions you can perform with the car are called methods and are described using verbs. For example, you can drive a car, park a car, or wash a car. Things that can happen to a car are called events. Some events mirror the object's methods, such as the car being started or being parked. The difference is that when an event such as a car being started occurs, the program detects the change in the car's state and runs any instructions you want to be run when that event occurs. For example, your car's onboard computer could be programmed to turn on the car's headlights when you start it. If you create an event called car on start, the instructions you include in that event's definition will run whenever someone starts the car. Object-oriented programming is a powerful paradigm, especially when you use it to work with programs such as Microsoft Excel. But at its base, it's just another way of organizing the same properties, methods, and events in every other programming language. In the next movie, I'll introduce the Excel object model, which gives you the hooks you need to manipulate Excel workbooks, worksheets, and the application itself.